Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. As I stated in that last video, this thing engraved or traced all the letters but the E's and the R. So you still got the original logo. You don't have the font. Corel does not trace logos or fonts very well. We're going to make a duplicate of that R, and we're going to bring it up to the original logo photo. It's a JPEG. We are going to reduce it to be about the size of our R. Now you can't see it because it's behind the white background, but if you go to Object, Order, and Place in front of page, we're going to turn that yellow so we can see right through it almost. Then we're going to bring up the R, and we did pretty good. I mean, the Corel traced it pretty good. We need to make it a little bit bigger, so we'll expand this out. You can see that that's offset, so we could grab the shape tool, grab both those and hit B as in boy to get them to the bottom of the page. We might want to move this out a little bit more. And actually you could left click and have just blue lines so you could see it. Now, even though they're hairline, they're pretty thick. So let's call that good. Now, if we move that R back to our new area, to our new trace that we did in number 1 video, and we're gonna go ahead and make it that black and take away the outline. And we're gonna, and here's kind of like the key, we need to get that the same size. So let's try this. It's, with this locked, it's 0.36 inches tall. Let's go 0.36 inches tall. It should be the exact same size. Now, here's kind of the key. You don't have to do that. There's 2 R's. We don't want to do that for both of them. We're going to change our nudge distance to 1 inch. We're going to move that over. We're going to turn this one yellow for a second. And we're going to put our new one right on top of that yellow one. And then we're going to nudge it down. We're going to get rid of the yellow. We're going to nudge it back up. We're going to Control D and move it down. And that put the new font over there. So now we need to make this one yellow again. And by using the nudge distance, I can nudge that out of the way. With this one, make it black. And now nudge it down over, and now both R's are the same. Now, unfortunately, there's only one E. I think the E's are really what's messed up the most. And maybe the M's. You can see this M of the capital or the big letters is a little bit different than our M. And it all depends on how big you're going to make it. You know, we could bring in a picture of that Gothic M, and it looks like an upside down W. So that probably needs to be corrected, but that's relatively easy to do. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.